Yay!
No, Finn, please.
Okay, Riley takes the winning shot in a hockey game. Spin the spinner. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 missed. Lose a joy memory, but gain an anger memory. 6 to 10 score. Gain a joy memory. So basically,
You want 6 to 10.
yeah, 6 to 10. 7.
Okay.
So I get a joy memory.
Lars is in charge of that.
Oh, look
That's
at
how
the
much
bottom.
it was. It doesn't matter. People see me.
Yeah.
Okay, now we take these. Don't we put these cards back?
Discard those. Okay.
Here, discard them with me. No, you keep the Dennison, Dad.
Oh, you do?
Oh, this is yours? No,
That's
this is
your
mine.
mine.
That's mine.
Oh, I threw mine back over there.
Yeah, but yours is an event. Events you
I
throw
feel
away.
like
Dennison's you
people are
keep.
skipping.
Oh, it's your turn. Go.
Oh, I see.
You
Okay.
just got an event
okay.
card.
Five.
You're gonna go to Dennis.
One, Dennis. Give me cards. Let's see. Everybody spins a one. I get somebody gives me a $10.
Okay, did Daddy go?
Yeah, you want.
And Papa, you can return that here for my money.
3. 1, 2, 3. Okay,
You-
event.
Didn't she do 3?
I don't have any money.
Oh, that's
I
right.
can't give it to her yet. I will if I rolled it in.
Rooney!
So here,
Yeah.
I gained 10 memory
Rooney,
points.
look
So
at
now
me.
I have money. I'm the
Oh.
first person to get money.
All right, now it's your turn, hon.
My
Now's your
turn.
turn, Mom.
All right.
5. She's joy. So she goes. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4.
four,
Bing
five.
bong.
Bing bongs are.
Bing bong.
We gotta read it.
Read the bottom. The top is just
Read the bottom.
fun.
My pocket wagon runs on song power. Each player spins the spinner. Players that spin yellow gain 20 memory points.
Good. So we get $20 if we get.
I did the same thing.
Hi, Steph.
2 players. Which one should I put in? I ended up choosing the wrong one.
Right, because I'm like, you look at the projections, I really think about it, and like, I kept thinking, because I have squeeze them for my paper.
Hey, Fin Fin.
I have the bits, I have
Woo! Darcy, what are you doing?
He's writing down the songs for us. He's interpreting our songs.
Number 2. Number 2 is long. Very long.
Let me see. What's the words?
Song. It's a holiday kid.
back in a year or two. That shit would be awesome.
Show me, Boite.
Is Mac gonna wear that shit too? If he doesn't, I will. Oh, was it
Only
perfect?
if you wear that one
Good,
shirt.
perfect.
You guys want some popcorn?
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Sure.
Perfect.
All right.
Wow, we got perfect grades on that one. All right.
I don't know if I grade myself that way, but hey,
Or poor sift is kind of.
Poor sift.
Let me see with that.
Until you spell that correctly, I'm not sure we're perfect, but
Spelling of perfect isn't great.
Sure.
Want to do AED?
You ready? Let's do this, man.
yes,
Come on,
you do.
come on, come on.
So Lars, Lars, Lars.
I'm not sure I remember the drum fill. Wing it there. We'll come in.
I forgot the words. Hold on. The words. I know the second verse. Just today is like all the words progress. First one was.
Hey, Stan.
It's got it. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, she says the same, right?
This is what we.
It's driving me crazy. What the heck is that?
Thank you.
Wait, no, let's finish this.
That's my husband and my mom.
No, yeah.
กันนูหวนกันหาละนี่ฮิกันนูอัรตุยเต้นนี่ฮิกันนูอินปะขัดจวนนะสังขยันไงไม่ติ นี่ตินเอ็งจัดไงตุยต่อปลีปังอ่ะตุยเวทอันนี้มาอันตุยจันเวทอันนี้ฮิให้อาวันเลียนแม่เวอะไรมูปะนิอมเช่นเดียวอะไรมูปะนิอมอ่ะให้แกนี่จันทลายขวาทิมแจ๊บตัวกันนูนหนาแล้วทอกันนี่ฮิคู่อาหัวหน้าซ้ำจกพุ่นจัรค่อยมอกันนูเฮ้ยอันน่าทอกน่าซาเนี่ยซ้ำจกฮีบุลจะหนีเวลจุกันพุ่นตองตลอดกันนูจะทุ่มเดียวทอนนี้เตียนี่จูกันนูอาร์กันเลยสักบุกให้อาร์ปริยัดเวลในกันกลมเฮ็ดละมาแห้งกันเสียมากันละเสียมทศดอนซะอันลอยเทโลนี่ซอกันนูอันละหลุดเลยนี่กันอินนุ่งลำปังอันยากันปังปารันวุลเจ็บตัวคุตะควานินเฮกัสสังเลยวุ้ยน่ะนี่สรุปตัวจูวางตัวนินอันนูเวกคู่อันกันสังหาจูหมูเทเจ้าเราจานทิมดอนตัวให้ลุยล่วงแต่กันเนนี่หมูเทเจ้าเรา